Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix language bar missing in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your time and language. After doing this set, select a typing. After doing this stat, go to your advanced keyboard settings. After doing this stat, click on language bar options. After doing this stat, click on uploading on desktop. After doing this stat, click on show additional language bar icons on desktop bar. Check it show text labels on language bar. After that, click on apply, OK button. After doing this set, check it use the desktop language bar when it available. Close it. Now you can see that the bar is available. You can easily select and change the language. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.